I want to send you a big, fat paycheck every single month. Look, I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5, the makers of Frame Connector. And yes, I want to pay you a big, fat paycheck every single month. And all you have to do is share a link to your social media or to your email list that's promoting an award-winning funnel that's already done over $1 million in sales revenue for an award-winning software, best marketing automation software, that solves a huge problem for people and gets them new leads every single day, that's built and supported by an award-winning company, India's best tech startup, India's best SaaS software company. So if you're interested in actually being able to make up to $5,000 per sale and getting paid on a recurring basis, once your customer signs up, they're gonna pay on a monthly or yearly basis, and you're gonna get paid up to 55% of that sale every single time they make a payment. So if you're interested in becoming an affiliate and signing up to our free affiliate program, then all you have to do is click the link, sign up to the free affiliate program, get your link, make some posts on social media, send out some emails, and you could be getting a big fat paycheck from me every single month.